Well, what about this last one? A Nazi dictatorship. For the purpose of what we need to know, you need to understand that the Nazis are a political party like Republicans and Democrats, and they have four major beliefs, and you can see them right here. Unite all German-speaking people. Wait a minute, that was from World War I too. That's right. Reject the Treaty of Versailles, also a problem with World War I. Who do we have for all these problems? The Jews, and this anti-Jewish belief is called anti-Semitism, and they hate communists. The Nazi Party is young in the 1920s, right after World War I. It actually tries to seize power in 1923, and it fails. Hitler himself is sent to jail because of the problems that he has in his role in carrying out this revolt in Munich, Germany. While he's in prison, and this, by the way, is his prison. It's like a house where you have like tea time and visitors and can do whatever you want. When Hitler's in jail, he writes his autobiography. It's a book called Mein Kampf. You can see a version of it right here. And in Mein Kampf, he says that Germans, Aryans, are a master race, and everyone else should serve the Germans. And he says that in order for Germany to become great again, it has to reject everything that happened in World War I, and it has to blame the Jews as the problem for this and unite together. And it takes a long time, but what you need to understand is that over the 1920s, almost the entirety of the 1920s, Hitler and his political party are slowly building support. Eventually what happens, Nazi party members are elected. Some are intimidated. Some of the voters are intimidated by Nazis, but Hitler's and his party are elected to power. In time, they become the largest party in the Reichstag, the German version of Congress. It takes a long time, but anger over the Depression, anger over Versailles, increases support so that by 1932, the Nazis are the largest party in the Reichstag. And with Nazis in control, Hitler is able to get a dictatorship. He gets himself appointed Chancellor of Germany, then he's elected President of Germany, forces the government to give him powers. He ends up calling himself Der Führer, or the leader. But Hitler is elected. The people want him to return them to power. And that's a good stopping point for today.